What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Starmiana and I'm back at it again with another video. So don't mind my sleepwear right now kasi nakapantulog na ako because it's already 1 a.m. and I noticed that yung review ko about the Shopee floating shelves ay maraming views. So, may nagtanong sa akin ng detailed review about those item. So, I'm gonna be telling you a quick review and ipapakita ko sa inyo close up yung item and i-review ko siya para sa inyo para mas meron kayong information about this item and makapag-decide kayo if bibilhin nyo or hindi. Okay? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, shoot. Alright, okay. Now, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung mga gamit ng anak ko kasi wala pa yan na-arrange. And also my insect bites, yung mga langgam sa lababo sis, grabe. Alright, okay, let's move on. Okay, let's proceed to the material, okay? Now, this material in particular is not the same as the material na ginamit dito. Kasi ito, sis, is very, like, parang mix siya na material. Para siyang plastic na hinalo sa wood. I don't know. Alright? Ganun yung feeling niya. Like, kapag ganyan. Okay? See? It's very malambot. Alam mo yun? Pag ginamita mo talaga siya ng force. So, makikita talaga yung fingernails ko dyan. But it's sturdy enough to support yung mga figurines or mga anik-anik na gusto mong i-display. So, it serves its purpose naman. But when it comes to durability, I think if i-invest mo ito sa inyong home na, you know, the permanent home na you imagine yourself like 20 years in that home, living in that home, I think mas better na mag-invest ka sa mas heavy duty or sa mas magandang quality na material na mga floating shelves. But in my case, I don't see myself really in this house for about, I don't know, maybe mga 2 years. Okay? 2 years lang ako dito sa bahay na to because I'm planning to buy my own house, hopefully. Please, Lord, give me the blessing. Alright, okay. Yan. Yan, ganyan lang yung, ganyan kanipis yung kanyang material, alright? It's very manipis. Okay, and this one naman is for about 4 inches yung kanyang kakapal. Like, ganyan. Alright? Okay, now, dito naman tayo move on tayo dito is parang meron siyang hook. So, nilalagay ko lang yung bag dyan. Okay. Alright. So, pag nagbili kayo ng ganitong floating shelves is 3 pieces na siya sa isang set. So, you get 3 floating shelves. So, isang malaking ganyan and medium size. Okay, ganyan kalaki. And also, a little bit smaller. Okay, zoom out ko para ano nyo. Okay, ganyan. Okay, ito yung mas malaki, tapos yung mas maliit. So, makakakuha kayo ng 3 piraso. And I ordered 2 sets. So, bali 6 yung floating shelves ko. 5 dito sa kwarto at isa doon sa sala. And, yung dyan na naman, yung mga boxes na floating shelves, is iba din yan siya na item. So, bale, iba din yung bayad ko dyan. Okay? Pag nagbili kayo ng ganyan is 3 boxes nga siya, pero combined siya together. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. And, mas makapal tong material nito kaysa dito. Like, okay. Yan, ganyan. And also dito. See? Okay, dito yan. Yan yung floating shelves. And this one is the boxes. Right? Okay. Now, the question na kung worth it ba talaga siya para sa kanyang presyo. I mean, worth it talaga siya, guys, kasi it serves its purpose. And look, maganda din siyang tignan, pang display and pang organize ng mga gamit. So I think it's really worth it despite the material that have been used. So kapag nagbili kayo ng ganitong floating shelves, just keep in mind that don't expect too much from its material na ginamit. If i-rate ko yung floating shelves itself, it's 10 out of 10. But para sa material naman na ginamit, siguro mga 7 out of 10. Not that bad, but you know, it can do a little bit better. So I guess that's the end of our review, a quick review for the floating shelves today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!